Text is the best way to give information in your video. So let's learn how to edit text in Kinemaster properly. So let's begin. At first, add your text. I type here hello and OK it. Here you can see when I drag the layer, here you can see the time duration is completely changed. But I don't need to change the time duration, so I set it into default. Now we choose some fonts. Here you can see many fonts. These fonts are very important, like Shadi Mein Dulhan. I choose the font called Montserrat. This font is very cool, so I choose this. After choose this, here you can see the text look so cool. After drag it, here you can see the size of the text is changed. And when I click on the rotate button and rotate it, here you can see the text is rotate. This is the in animation tool. Here you can see many in animation effects. I choose the pop in animation. This is the overall animation tool. Here you can see many overall animation effects, but I choose no one because I don't need it. So this is the out animation tool. Here you can see many out animation effects. I choose the scale down effect. From here you can set the time duration of the in animation or out animation. I choose the time duration into 0.5. Try to keep same time duration in the in animation and the out animation. From here you can change the color of your text like this, but I don't need to change the color of my text, so I change the color into default. This is the opacity. Here you can see when I decrease it, the text is invisible, and when I decrease it, the text is visible. This is the blending mode. Here we can see many blending mode. You can experiment with the blending modes. When I choose multiply, here you can see the change. This is the text option. Here you can see many text option. When I drag the character, here you can see the change. This is not so cool in the Montserrat font, so I choose the another font. Now I choose the correct font and increase the character. Here you can see it looks so cool. The next is line. For this effect we need 2 lines in a text, so I type here hello everyone. Here you can see the change of the line effect. The next one is outline. Here you can see when I enable it, here you can see a black outline in the text. From here you can change the color of the outline, and here you can change the weight of your outline. This is the shadow tool. From here you can add shadow and change the color of your shadow. From here you can change the distance of your shadow. When I choose the red color for the shadow, here you can see the shadow is red, and when I change that setting, here you can see the change in the preview. But I disable it because I don't need it. The next one is glow. When I enable it, here you can see a softer glow, and when I increase the spread and the size, here you can see the change in the preview. The next is background color. When I enable it, here you can see a background color, and when I tap on the background color and change the background color into red, here you can see the background color is converted to red, and when I change it into full width background, here you can see this is converted to full width background. But I don't need the background color, so I disable it. Now we add some animation to the text by the key button. Press the key button and extract the timeline. Here you can see some animation to the text. By this tool you can give some unique animation to your text. It looks so good on your videos. Here you can see the preview of my animation. The animation looks so good. Now the best part of the video. Luck is the best thing in the world. नहीं, मैं गर्लफ्रेंड की घर खाली होने का बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. We just talking about the growth of the videos. First 22 days, 105 views. First 28 days, 201 views. First 31 days, 315 views. And first 34 days, 407 views. Thanks to all of you guys for supporting me and this video. So guys, if you are new in our channel and you like our content and presentation, you must subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and don't forget to press the all button. So till then, take care and bye.